Hi, welcome to Dr. Chaudhry's Homeopathy. This is Dr. Venkat Chaudhry, Senior Homeopathy Consultant. Uh, Here, this video for the students and practitioners who are seeking learn homeopathy. So, first of all, I would like to say thanks to the Dr. Alan Shkumar, Chief Editor, Homeopathic for Everyone, a US-based e-magazine. He published my case in magazine. So that case I want to try to explain everything through the YouTube channel, my channel. So I hope students, practitioners, the enthusiasts in homeopathy and will learn something from my case. So let's go for the case. So this is the case of molluscum contagiosum. It is a viral disease. She is a 35 years lady. Consultation on the April 15th. So, though it is a childhood disease, even adults also sometimes may get affected with the viral infections. So, it all happened in the lockdown period. So, she was in other town. She was not in native, other town. So while this thing happened before, I treated her son the same infection with the molluscum contagiosum. He was suffered. So the brief history of the case. About the case, she is a regular patient of my clinic since 3 to 4 years. She used to come for every minor complaint. Whatever happens to her or to her family, takes them to the clinic. Here, this is the important point in the case. Whatever may be the complaint, she used to bring them to the clinic. Even the complaint of her also, she comes to the clinic and she takes the medicine every time. The same thing happened in the March. In India, March lockdown started, but she was in the other town, not in native. She was locked there. So I treated her son the same complaint, suffered with the molluscum contagiosum with a successful result. Might be the case was with the calcarea carb. I treated her son. But end of the March, almost 1 month before I treated the case, at the end of the March, I received a phone call from her with an anxious voice. This is very important. The finding the emotions while narrating the case, while telling the symptoms of the patient, it is very important thing. So I concentrated her narration in the phone. Doctor, I got pimples over my face. Day by day, they are increasing in number. Now I am in other city. Since lockdown, I can't come to there. No transport system was there. In India, almost March ending, lockdown started. So she was locked there. She described them. They look like sun's eruptions. But I don't know what are the eruptions she got that at that time. Mostly she narrated that were molluscum eruptions, the same sun's eruptions. So quick to lockdown period. So the period is over, 1 month. So transport started. She came to the native city. So she took appointment at the April 15th. On entering into my clinic, I put a observation of her behavior after entering into the cabin. Meanwhile, I offered to get her chair. She commenced her narration, anxiety possessed voice with facial expressions. So I have to observe everybody. Observe the facial expressions, her walking style, her attitude after entering into the clinic. So patient narration was like this: Sir or doctor, I have reached in the morning, just now 2 hours back. I have been feeling eager to come your clinic since 15 days for this complaint. See doctor, my face is full of pimples. So pimples is the her narration. She doesn't have the knowledge of medicine. So in her language, those are all pimples. They look like my son's eruptions. Doctor, are they same? With anxiety possessed voice, are they same? I counted days of lockdown to meet you in clinic. In the interim, I observed my face. Now it is filling with full of eruptions. Day by day, one new eruption is coming over my face. They erupt like small spots before the day. At midnight, bump comes out. The other day morning, the eruptions look like this. How bad my face is. Among my relatives and co-sisters, my skin tone is good. Now it is spoiling. Now eruptions will spoil my skin. You said me, my son's eruptions were viral eruptions. Are these viral eruptions, doctor? Are they go with your medicines? She stopped a flow of narration. So, but her anxiety still over the face. Meanwhile, I observed one thing for every dialogue. So she is traveling with the anxiety emotions. For every dialogue, she laughed along with her emotional narration. Laughing. It is her nature. In previous consultations also, I observed the same thing. For every dialogue, at the completion of every dialogue, she laughs. So it is her nature. In her previous consultations, I observed the same thing. So I put the question, what did you do in this 15 days of period? So because of lockdown, she didn't come to me immediately after the eruptions. I asked the same question, patient. Now I called my cousin at the time of eruptions. She told she is a dermatologist, to get help, discussed with her every complaint of me, and she suggested some ointments. I think those are all steroid ointments. Since 15 days I have been using them, but no result I got. Along with, I called my friend, a beautician. She suggested some home-based preparations, tips of putting steam and others, but in vain outcome. No result was there after applying steroid creams and beautician tips. I asked my mom and my sisters how to get rid of this eruptions. Every day the pimples came out. Really, I frightened. I asked them how they bother you. So patient told that little bit itching is there over the face, over the eruptions. These eruptions grows like this, they will occupy all over my face and body. So she expressed one that, oh doctor, I can't imagine that situation if the eruptions occupy over my face. The same anxiety she maintained all over the case. And I asked her, I said her, don't worry, why are you becoming so concerned about this? I will give you medicine to this problem and get solved. But patient expression, the every dialogue with the patient is very important while prescribing medicines. The attitude of the patient, the emotion of the patient, the narration of the patient, the behavior of the patient, the words of the patient also. How the situation she describes in front of you is very important. I have hope only on you, doctor. You cured my son's case. I have been getting full of these pimples spreading over my face since lockdown. Then I asked her, you will be get, and I told assurance some kind of words. You will be get well soon after taking this medicine. Again, the patient said like this, I believe on you, doctor. You treated every element of mine and my family members. That means the previous eruptions and previous complaints, her small and gastric trouble, her other problems also, I cleared out with the medicines. But this time, uh, she came only, I treated her well in the previous situations, and her family members also. I gave 3 doses of medicine. She left clinic with a peace of mind and smile as usual. So finally, I sighed. Oh, oh. That means her anxiety, her narration makes me a little bit tense. What she will think if I don't cure her immediately, as if stormy scene moved from my room. So this is the one time from her mouth, all complaints, all questions she put in front of me. Up to 1 week, she called me. Up to 1 week. So, so past history. For every time when she got fever, she used to have cold sores. I treated her in previous times. Now she is not with the fever, and there was no fever blisters over the upper lip. But uh, it is very important to know the fast history in the chronic case or acute case. In acute cases, if the case is very recurrent one, it leads to chronic remedy. And in past consultations for other complaints, in discussions, she shared one thing with the free mind, without asking any question by me, without any personal poking of me. Doctor, yesterday we participated in sex after so many days, and she laughed as usual or the other complaints when they say present complaints and past complaints also. I observed the laughing with every sentence. She laughed, she laughs. Present also, she laughed with the closing dialogue. So So other physical generals suffer. See here, appetite is good at the time of affection, and thirst is good. Intake fluctuates on weather conditions. So in general, moderate quantity. Bowel movements are regular at the time of 15 days period after attacking the disease. Urine watery color, no specific change after the molluscum contagiosum. Sleep is good. Sometimes disturbed due to thoughts about the disease only. Otherwise, she's normal. Thermals also as constitutional. She's a chilly patient. Patient has a wall. Her narration, her anxiety gives the energy while narrating. So vital energy is good with the expressive, much expressive aspect in and disturbance in mentals. I observed there was no other physical generals rich in that case. So, but mental disturbance is more in the case. So, what is the discussion now? So, after case is over, I took the case, I collected the symptoms from the patient. As a acute case, acute disease of the skin, I didn't go deep to the past history except the family history of her son's molluscum affection. And somewhere I took the symptoms, I consider the symptoms of the constitutional one, chilly, and in the past history, cold sores, and everything was there. So I consider those symptoms as a background. Usually, molluscum infection limits to the child age, rarely it contacts the adults. Analysis. What is the analysis? Though the ailment harbored over the skin, but the patient was rich fermentals, her anxiety about the condition, every expression came out through her narration. Already we read the narration. I told you the narration. I will give the analysis through the mentioning verbatim between she and me. So in this way, how I grasp the symptoms from the repertory, how I put the symptoms of the case into the repertory, how can we mold the narration into the symptoms. So this is the part. So the first point is, she is a regular patient of my clinic since 3 to 4 years. She used to come for every minor complaint, whatever happens to her or to family, takes them to the clinic. She always, for every minor complaint, she used to bring them to my clinic. So I took the rubric alert at every moment. It is available in both repertories, complete and synthesis. Though it is her constitutional mental general, but it expressed in acute situation also for every complaint. So she thought the eruptions are pimples, but that pimple eruptions brings her to me immediate effect, and she took the advice from the dermatologist, and she took advice from the beautician. So at every ailment, at every movement of the pimple, so she was very alert at the 15 days period of time. So alert at every moment. I took the rubric. So in the month of March, just before the lockdown, I treated her son, suffered with molluscum contagiosum with a successful result. End of the March, I received a phone call. So everything you know this. Next, patient. As the patient narration, I have reached in morning just now 2 hours back. I have been feeling eager to meet you in the clinic since 15 days of time, 15 days for this complaint. See doctor, my face is full of pimples. They look like my son's eruptions are the same. With anxiety possessed voice, she asked, I counted days of lockdown to meet you in clinic. In the interim, I observed my face, how it was feeling with the eruptions. They erupt like small spots before the day. At midnight, bump comes out. The other day morning, the eruptions look like this. So already you know the description of the patient. So I took the alert of every movement. Every movement. She observed every ailment, every eruption over the 15 days period. So alert of every movement and startled easily. Why I took the rubric startled easily? So every eruption, startled means the consciousness or consciousness of the patient takes the attention at the situation immediately with the trivial regions. She gets the fear. What will happen if I continued with these eruptions over the face? So her attention towards her eruption. So I took the rubric and her narration. How bad my face is. Among my relatives and co-sisters, my skin tone is too good. Now pimples will spoil my skin. So she expressed her concern over the pimples. Her fear is her skin tone was good. She felt that her skin tone is very good among the relatives and among the cousins. So it is the delusion. So she feels like that delusion. He has the delusion. She has the delusion. He is the person of rank. Rank means it is a position relative to others. Her skin tone is good among her relative. Now it is going down to rank, but it is her delusion. Again, her narration, as per her narration, doctor, you said me my sense eruptions were viral eruptions. Are these viral eruptions? Or they go with your medicines? She stopped her flow of narration, but her anxiety still over the face. So I took this narration as anxiety, panic attacks, overpowering. So in complete repertory and synthesis repertory, they expressed these rubrics with a different mode. So I took from the complete repertory as a panic attack of the anxiety. So but come to synthesis, has rubrics like fear, overwhelming, has cross reference, fear, terror, but complete repertory has straight rubric, anxiety, fear, anxiety with the fear. So we can consider the other rubric, fear, terror also. Fear, terror also. So for the other narration, meanwhile, I observed one thing for every dialogue. She laughed along with her emotional narration. It is her nature. In her previous consultations, I observed it. This is the objective observation. Every time she expressed, she laughs like that. After closing of the sentence, she laughs with the laugh. So laughing involuntary. I took the rubric, laughing involuntary, laughing serious matters over. So it is, though it is the serious matters, or every time she comes to my clinic with any other complaints, she usually she expresses or with the complaints, she laughs every time. Though she is in such anxious narration, she used to laugh every time at the finish of the dialogue, her symptoms. Next, doctor, what did you do this in the, I asked the question, what did you do in this 15 days period? I called my cousin, dermatologist and beautician. I have taken so many advices from that, and I called my sisters also, sister and other cousins also. So this is the discussion with the others, because of there was a fear in her. So we can take the rubric fear, terror, but I went with the anxiety, fear with at the same time discusses her symptoms or complaints, whatever she possesses, with everyone. with everyone. There was a rubric in complete repertory as well as in synthesis repertory. You can take the rubric as a straight, discusses her symptoms with everyone. She called every time those who can give suggestion, help, asked them to help, how to get out from the situation. Her panic state made her like that. Why? Her panic state, her fear, her anxiety. What will happen if not treated well, if the eruptions occupy over my face? Startled from fright. Already we taken this rubric. So I asked the question, how they bothers you? Little bit itching is there. If this eruptions grows like this, they will occupy all over my body. Oh, I can't imagine that situation. So if the eruptions spread over the face, that is the very exposure part of our body. So she tensed from that eruptions spreading over the face. So fear, suffering. She is now panic of her state. Her sense that they will occupy all over the face. Itching gives her a little bit of discomfort. So I asked her the question. I said her, don't worry, why are you becoming so tense about this? And I told the results of this case, these eruptions. I consoled her. So, but at the my conversation is over. She said like this, I have hope only on you, doctor. You cured my son's case. Because of my son's case was cured by you only. So those were molluscum contagiosum. I have been getting full of these pimples taking over my face since lockdown. So because of this, I am feeling very tense. So anxiety. So you take the charge of curing me. You give me the medicines to cure my case immediately with immediate effect. So anxiety therapy wants from anxiety. Here anxiety compels her to talk like this. She wanted treatment out of her anxiety. Fear compels her to get help from me in the mode of medicines. So fear of suffering. Why? If not treated by me or by the medicines, they will spread. So fear of suffering. The number of eruptions will get more. So, this, you will be okay soon after taking this medicine. Then the patient said, I believe on you, doctor. You treated every ailment of mine and my family members. So you only the choice for me, you only the hope. I applied corticosteroids, ointments, topicals, and I took the suggestions of beautician. They have given no result. So there was no result with the medicines. So you only the hope for me. So dependent on others, on the physician. There was a rubric in the synthesis. Depend on others, on the physician. So since 3 to 4 years for every minor or major complaint, she has been visiting me, and present crisis also she expressed the same narration. End of case taking, I explained the possibility of cure, chances of getting normal face. She pacified easily. I relaxed because she became normal with my assurance by words. So I pacified her, I consoled her. So reassured easily. There was a rubric in the synthesis, reassured easily. With my words, she pacified immediately. She went from my cabin with the smile, with the cool and calm mind. So by my words. So I gave the medicine with the confidence to make her confidence. Usually in previous consultations, after exploring the harmlessness, explaining of curative possibility details of she become normal. The same thing happened here also. Up to 1 week, she did not call me except taking appointment after up to 1 week. So in this 15 days period, she fully with the anxiety, tension, and fear of suffering, everything. After I pacified her, I made her console, and I gave the medicine with the confidence of curing process, starting curing process. So with the up to 1 week, she didn't call her. It is a retro study. So reassured easily. So I pacified that much of panic, anxiety with the words, with the my words, with the consolation, making her cool and calm. So so this makes me very. She has very confidence over the homeopathy and over the physician on me. So I took the rubric reassured easily. In the past history, she has cold sores. So I took the rubric fever, blisters, mouth, lips over. It is the local symptoms. You can get the synthesis repertory. In past consultations, she was a very extrovert patient. She is extrovert. Everything she tells in front of the physician. So without asking a question, she revealed her personal affairs. So I took the rubric by considering this type of attitude. I took the rubric communicative, extrovert. So both rubrics available in synthesis and complete repertory. You can take. Skin eruptions. So finally, we have to look over the pathology also. Is that medicines will clear the case? So I took the pathological rubric also, that medicine covered the same pathology of the case. Molluscum contagiosum, I took the rubric. Skin eruptions, there was a rubric, molluscum contagiosum. And as a general, she is a chilly patient. So there was a rubric, heat, lack of vital heat. So I have given phosphorus 30, dispensed one oral dose, and with along with the 3 doses. 3 doses is my style of giving medicines. So in these acute situations, we have to repeat the medicine to arrive the vital energy falling, to stop the vital energy falling, to pick up the vital energy in the body. So every 6 hours repetition in acute cases cures her within a week totally. So this is the case. I treated very well, and this is published in international magazine, Homeopathy for Everyone. Thanks to Dr. Alan Shah. I hope you will get something from me. Please, any doubt, you can comment over my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this. Before the treatment,